Our homes have become our working space, our family space, our chill out space, and our safe space. So when a plumbing or heating emergency hits and you need us, it's our priority to keep your space just that, safe. Our technology allows our engineers to ensure your safety. So what are we doing? Every morning, our engineers go through a mandatory checklist. Things like, do you have any symptoms? Have you disinfected your hand tools, your tool bag? Have you wiped down your van cabin? All this information feeds back to our head office, allowing us to ensure consistency across all our engineers. Before arrival, we ring ahead and we keep you in the know about the measures we have implemented around social distancing. Once at your property, we run through our pre-job checklist, ensuring we are following all government guidelines. Inside the property, we disinfect all working areas and contact points, we keep our tools clean and we ensure a 2-meter distance from you, and we wear disposable gloves and shoe covers that once the job is done, we dispose of after every visit. Our job reports, sign-offs, invoicing and receipts are then all emailed or texted to you, ensuring a fully contactless visit. You can even sign from your own phone. If you have an emergency, please do not hesitate to get in touch. With 24-hour support, we can keep your home space your safe place.